And on the international front, U.S. President Donald Trump says the sweeping tariffs that he has imposed on Mexico, Canada and China may cause short-term pain for Americans as global stock markets tumbled on concerns that the levies will spark an economically damaging trade war. President Trump plans to hold talks with the leaders of Canada and Mexico, which have announced retaliatory tariffs of their own but downplayed expectations that they will change his mind. Here are the details of this and other stories making headlines across the globe.
U.S. President Donald Trump says tariffs on the European Union will go ahead, but did not say when. European leaders are set to meet in Brussels on Monday to discuss tariffs in the wake of President Trump's comments. President Trump's tariffs will cover almost half of all U.S. imports and will require the United States to more than double its own manufacturing output to cover the gap. Economists said the U.S. president's plan to impose 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico and 10% tariffs on China, which are the United States' three largest trading partners, will slow global growth and drive prices higher for Americans. The Chinese yuan, Canadian dollar and Mexican peso all slumped against the soaring dollar. Elsewhere, Samsung Electronics chairman J.Y. Lee has been found not guilty of accounting fraud and stock manipulation by a Seoul appeals court in a ruling that could remove long-running legal risks that he has been facing from criminal cases. The Seoul High Court upheld the lower court's ruling, dismissing all the charges from a case involving a 2015 merger that prosecutors said were designed to cement Lee's control of the tech giant. The legal battles have been a distraction for Lee, who faced growing questions about his ability to lead Samsung Electronics, which is the world's top memory chip and smartphone maker, as it grapples with growing competition and lackluster stock prices. For nearly a decade, Lee has faced legal challenges, including those from the merger that paved the way for his succession after his father, Lee Kun-hee, had a heart attack in 2014 that left him in a coma. Finally, SoftBank Group CEO Masayoshi Son has agreed with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman to set up a joint venture in Japan to offer artificial intelligence services to corporate customers. The Japanese investment giant will also pay $3 billion annually to use OpenAI's technology across SoftBank Group companies. The joint venture SB OpenAI Japan will be owned by OpenAI and a company established by SoftBank and its domestic telecoms arm. Son is moving to deepen his exposure to OpenAI, with SoftBank looking at investing $15 to $25 billion in the company. SoftBank is also committing $15 billion to Stargate, a joint venture with OpenAI and Oracle to build AI capacity in the United States.